having a great day. So today we're going to get started in talking about how we had a really good day today trading Amazon and trading Shopify and Google to the downside. So today was a great day overall for us. And if we just focus on what happened and what we traded, right? So looking at Amazon was our first trade that we took today. Daily picture, we can see downtrend. We see some support here. Let's go into the hourly time frame. On the hourly time frame, we can see lower highs being formed. Okay, so I'm going to switch over to the volume profile chart that I have set up here. So looking at this, you see the volume coming to the downside, right? We can see clear support right about here. So we can see this is where 70% of the volume is traded. So this is an important zone. So this is where buyers and sellers are in a in an understanding that no one wants to go higher, no one wants to go lower. So basically what it is basically an acceptance of price in this zone. So Amazon's price was accepted in this zone. We can see it tried to break down, then it pushed back, but the buyers are not able to push the sellers out of here. So what we have is we have set a new high. So this is once again a lower high. So and then we have another high right about here. Right, so we got highs to the downside. All right, so at the break of this rectangle here, this consolidation pattern, this is a strong candle with volume behind it on the hourly time frame. Right, this tells us the pressure is down to the downside. It retested this zone, it was unable to hold it, so the pressure to the downside was added here. Right, so you see the test, close below, and then we have a huge sell. So that means sell. So right here, this big volume node tells us that a lot of position or a lot of participation took place here, right? So now we see that selling. So today in the morning when I saw that, I was interested in to see how Amazon would open. So this is already the low, right? And I want to switch over to the 5-minute time frame because that's what I use 5. And this is a 3, and that's the 1 hour, just to kind of look at the bigger picture here. So in the morning, what I was looking at was to see how Amazon would open. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, looking at the bigger picture here, we know this is an area of interest. A lot of selling here. Pre-market kind of wanted to go up. The first 5 minutes, it tested the high of yesterday's close, so it was not that strong, right? So, and then if I look back here, this is my conviction here, that there's a lot of resistance at 29.59, right? So I'm like, okay, this is holding up really well. Pressure still to the downside, and right in the morning, we're adding to our sell volume. So if we look at the 3-minute chart here, when the VWAP, which is in purple, and the 5-day EMA, and the price closes below, based on this long-term analysis, multi-frame analysis, this gave me the position to take this Amazon trade. So we went from like a $6 options contract on the downside, it went to like $15. So it was a quick like 120% move just on Amazon, right? Next one we took was Google. If we look at Google, for example, here, same concept as Amazon, consolidation break. However, Google did have something else here. So this is known as a bear flag on the smaller time frame. Okay, so we're gonna go like this. Right, so this is a flag pattern, and this is bearish. Okay, so this is what was going on. So my target for Google was that it could actually go back to possibly test right here for next week, 25.80, right? So the low of this. So let's go into a smaller time frame and have a look at this and see how this works out for us. So if we look at Google here, this is your channel or your bear flag. You have the break, you have the retest, right? So at the 5-minute time frame, once again, we have the bear channel right there, and we see the price last evening didn't close above it, closed below it, and even in the pre-market action was consolidating. Then we have huge sell. So we took a trade here, and on a 3-minute time frame, once again, this is where we took the trade. We're gonna exit based on 5. You see how low it went. So this was a quick a couple 100% move as well, right? So you have to look at the bigger picture and understand where the levels are, right? So trading in this zone is not rewarding. Even right now, Google is trying to push its way back up. I would not trade here. I would wait for the characteristics to form and wait for the break. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you waited about 5 days. On the 6th day, you made a couple thousand, right? So this is where your mindset has to be. You have to know that you have to wait. You can't take a trade every day. You have to understand what the stock is doing and what the characteristics of the stock is, okay? So this is my analysis. This is what we did today. We did it in the community. If you guys have any questions, you guys want me to go over any charts or anything that you guys may have, please leave it in the comments below, or you can reach out to us at our website, which is technicaloptionstraders.com. So and we also have our Facebook page and Instagram page, so you can follow us there as well. Hope you guys have a great day.